Hello, welcome to PLK Computers or YouTube channel. This is the third loop, okay, and last loop which we have to learn. Before we have studied for next, and in second we studied while when loop, and this is the third one, do while loop. Purpose: do loop is more versatile than while when. Do loop repeats block of statement while the condition is true or until the condition becomes true. Different structure of loop do loop are discussed below. Okay, so it is more versatile. So altogether we have four structure of do loop. So syntax one. So number one structure is do while loop. So do while condition, then statement block, then loop. Execute while the condition is remains true. It is a pre-test loop structure. It means before executing the statement, condition will be checked. Loop structure for do while loop is similar to while when. Okay, so only difference is before we in while when we write while condition, and instead of loop we write when. Okay, but in while do while condition, its closing condition closing will be loop. Okay, so it is similar to do sorry while when loop. Okay, so altogether four form are here. So one by one we will discuss. Okay, so I am going to explain one example. Suppose we have to display 1 to 10 using do while loop. Okay, so program should be started by CLS. After CLS we will write initialization of variable. It means we have to write I equal to 1 because the start value is 1. Now it is condition time, that's why we write do while I less than equal to 10. Okay, because start value is smaller than final value or stop value. Okay, that's why less than equal to, because if the condition is true then only it will work. And here my dear student, counter 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so 10 counter and display matter both are same. It means we have to print I will use here comma. It will print in 5 different printing zone. Then increase the value of I by 1. Increase of counter, then do while closing loop, and we are writing here end. Okay, in this way we have done the program. Okay, now I am going to run the QBasic code. So CLS initialization I equal to 1, do while I less than equal to 10, print I with comma, then increase the value of counter I equal to I plus 1, do while closing loop, terminating the program by end. Okay, so when we run this code, my dear students, you can look here. We have here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so what we have done. Okay, so at first we have initialized the counter variable start value by 1. Our stop value is less than equal to 10. Then we are printing I, increase the value of I by 1, because 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5, and so on up to 10. Okay, when it is after 10, value of I will be 11. So when the condition is false, this loop will stop to work. That's why it is called pre-test loop. So before executing the I value, it will check the condition. Okay, now second form. Okay, so this is the second one, syntax 2. So do loop while. Okay, So before we have studied do while loop, now it is do loop while. Okay, another different form of do while loop. Okay, but it is post test. It means at first statement will display, then only condition will be checked. Okay, so by one example, same question we have 1 to 10 using this one. So initialization of counter start value by 1, then do, as we are looking in syntax, after syntax will print the value I, then loop, sorry, increase the counter by 1. After counter increasing, we have to write the condition loop while I less than equal to 10, then terminate the program. So at first it will display the value here, print, then only it will check the condition. That's why it is called post test condition. Okay, by one example I'm going to explain this one, my dear students. Okay, so if we modify this program by do loop while, what we have to write here? Okay, only we have to write here this is the initialization I don't know why. Okay, so I was unable to edit, there's some technical problem. I equal to 1. Okay, then after we have to use the do keyword after statement block print I. Similarly I equal to I plus 1, increase by 1. After that we have to use the condition loop while I less than equal to 10, then we have to terminate the program by int. Okay, now I am running this code. Okay, so we can see the output here, my dear students. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so in our previous it was do while I less than equal to 10, condition was checking at first, that's why it was pre-test, and this is the post test. That's why at first the statement will execute, it will print, then only at last condition will be checked. That's why it is called post test loop structure. I hope you are understanding. Okay, now the next form of do loop is do until loop. Okay, so it is just opposite of do while, because in do while loop if the condition is true it will work, but here, my dear student, do until loop purpose, in a do until loop the iteration or repetition continue as long as the condition is false. Okay, if condition is false it will work, when the condition becomes true the loop stop, it will stop to work. Okay, so it is the syntax of do until condition statement block loop instead of while we are using here until. So what is the major difference between do while loop and do until loop? In do while loop if the condition is true then only it will work, but in do until loop if the condition is false then only it will work. So execute till execute till the sorry execute till the condition remain false. This is pre-test loop structure which may not execute at all. Okay, it means in previous, one more time I am going to remind you, my dear student, in our previous program what we have done, if the condition was true then only in do while it was working, but in do until loop if the condition is false, then only it will work. Okay, so accordingly I will write the program here. Okay, so initialization I equal to 1. Now do until, it means we have to print up to 10. So I greater than 10. Before we were writing less than equal to 10, but now we have to make the condition false. That's why I greater than 10. Then print I with comma, then increment I plus 1, closing of do until loop end. Okay, now I am going to run the code, my dear student. So here we have do until I greater than 10. Then what we have to write here? We have to write only loop, other are same. Okay, initialization I equal to 1, do until I greater than 10, because we have to make the condition false to execute. Printing I with comma, it will print in 5 different zone. Okay students, so you can watch here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, I'm using the comma separator. In our previous video also I talked, if you write nothing, only print I, it will print in the next horizontal line, next line. Okay, so it is coming like this 1 2 3 up to 10. If you write here comma, sorry, semicolon, then without a space, one after another it will come. Okay, so we can check the here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, one after another it is coming. If you put here comma, so 3 style are there. In all looping video I have discussed this point. Okay, now the syntax 2 of this do loop until. Okay, so this is the post test. So at first it will execute the statement, then only it will check. And the, my dear students, same thing, execute till the condition remains false. This is post test loop structure, which may not execute all. It means if the condition is false, it will stop work. But sorry, if the condition is false, then it will work. If condition is true, then it will stop work. So I am going to write the same program. So initialization I equal to 1, then do, we have to print, because same matter we are going to print, increment by 1, increase by 1, then loop until I greater than 10 end, because we have to make the condition false to work. Okay, so now I'm editing the same program. Do print I in loop until I greater than 10. If we write greater than 10, then it will work. Okay, so I am using a semicolon. That's why it is coming one after another. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. If you put here comma, it will print in next printing zone, 5 printing zone. There will be 5 different. So 1 2 3 4 5 up to 5 it is coming, and after 5 it is coming in next row. Okay, in this way. So these are the 4 different form of do loop. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe PLK Computer Sir, and press the bell icon for the latest notification. Thank you very much.